Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. If you're up for some motivational yard work, let's get started.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down, my head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my
Be back there, and I think a bird's nest. That stuff was like a bird's nest back there. You know what? I kept seeing little birds diving and stuff back there. Apparently there's a nest. Well, there was at some point in time, but it's gone now.
We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down, my head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this.
At least the hedges are neat. That's only one side of the house. They still got this side to go. So I need to take a break. It's hot. So leaving church now. Hey everybody, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Leaving church, headed over to the little one has a soccer game at 12:30, so I'm gonna pop over there for a few minutes, and then I gotta head out and get something to eat. I am starving. So, excuse me. Maybe I'll invite hubby to join me for brunch or lunch or whatever we're calling it. I am starving. So, hope everybody's doing great and had a nice week. See, I got my fascinator on today. I'm committed to wearing my hats now. You know what? I'm gonna keep wearing them. I have so many of them, and we used to wear them all the time at my church, my old church. So this is a new church that I belong to in Connecticut. So I want to wear these hats. I want to get some use out of my hats now. So I'm going to continue to wear them. And plus, one thing is you don't have to worry about what your hair looks like if you put a hat on. That's one good thing. Anyway, so let me head on over to this game. See what the little one's doing. At least put in some FaceTime. And then go get something to eat. Alright, so I made it to the park. There seems to be cars pulling in. So I guess there is a game today. I remember one time I came and there was nobody here. Uh-oh, Maddie's up.
You gotta stop it, Noel.
Stop it, Matt. Maddie, get it. Get it, Maddie. That a girl. Don't let him turn around. That purple, same team, Matt. So sorry.
So I put in my FaceTime. Hubby showed up for a little while, and I'm going to get some breakfast. I'm going to go to the diner, get some breakfast, sit there and relax. So whatever you guys are doing, I hope you have a great day. Oh, there's a bee over here. Whatever you do, guys, have a great Sunday and enjoy the rest of your week as I plan to do mine. See you guys.